Oh yeah, let's go. The engines are rumbling, so powerful and loud. A sound that fills our hearts with pride, standing out from the crowd. The motorboats are heading out onto the Danube, the stream. We're chasing rolling waves today. The sunshine calls our dreams. Oh yeah! The waves keep rolling, the water sings, and the wind brings freedom on its wings. The spray flies high and sparkles bright. Adventure calls us on, we're ready for the ride. Toward the rising sun, across the morning sky. The Danube is our home, where we will always lie. The engines roar, our hearts beat wild. Only here we're happy, free like a child. The Danube knows our stories well, every laugh and every mile. Of summer days and freedom found in morning's golden smile. With good friends by our side, we laugh and have our fun. And even when the rain comes down, we keep on moving on, always toward the rising sun, across the morning sky. The Danube is our home, where we will always lie. The engines roar, our hearts beat wild. Only here we're happy, free like a child. One more time. We love the water, we love the flow. The Danube is our home, the place we always know. When the spray touches our skin and the sun shines high above, it's a pure and endless feeling, a never